Hello again, everybody. This is David Mazzola with Johnson Ford here in New Richmond. Check out this local trade we just got in. It is a 2021 Ford Edge ST. It only has 16,000 miles on it. It does have the 2.7 liter engine, oversized performance wheels. This thing is definitely meant for performance. Has all the bells and whistles one will be looking for, not just for looks, but you're going to have your auto start, you're going to have your keyless rear hatch, privacy cover, storage underneath. Rear seats do fold down. Does have the black leather seating. Even your guests in the back have heated seats with a leather armrest. Up front, enjoy the large LCD screen, power seats, panoramic roof, everything one would want with only 16,000 miles on it. Comes with a bumper-to-bumper warranty. Give me a call at 715-293-3189 or check it out on johnsonmotors.com. It is stock number 919382. Thanks again for watching.